How to blur a part of video in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can blur a part of video in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So here you can start a new project or just use a project that you already have. After you're there, what you'll need to do is that you will need to have the video on your track. So I'll just add this again. And after it's here, what you'll need to do is you'll need to watch the video, everything, or you can just simply copy this and paste it. You can use the simple Control C and Control V. After you do that, you will have layered up two videos. Now make sure they are synced as well. And after you do that, you will see you will need to select the top part. And right here, wherever you want to blur your video, simply cut the video on the top layer. So let me do that here. And okay, so let me blur it from here. I'll just be blurring a really small part. Let me do a little bigger one. So just blur this part. And now you will need to head over to the effects section on the top. Tap on effects, choose the blurry one and put it right between those two layers. After you do that, now what you'll need to do is select the part, this one, head over here, and here you should see under videos a mask option. Tap on it and now you will be able to select a different sizes of mask. So I'll just select this rectangle one, and as you'll notice that it will get blurred like this. So you will need to reverse your mask. So tap on reverse and there you go. Now to blur this, you can simply, arrange the location, just make it a bit smaller. You can set it up as your liking, and then you're basically good to go. Now let's run this video to check out if the blur has been successful or not. So the blur starts now and it ends now. So the point where you cut the video, those points inside that very time, it will get blurred. And yeah, if you want to increase this, you can just cut someplace else, head over here, increase your blur and set it up to your liking, and finally you can export the video. And that is how you can blur a part in video. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.